Hi there, students. The hustings. Hustings. This is a really good word. Okay, nowadays this word is used just to talk about the campaign trail when there is going to be an election for something, and the politicians make speeches and hold different events that are intended to win votes. Let's see, originally the hustings were events where all of the different candidates would go to a place and each of them would make speeches. And then afterwards there would be an informal show of hands to give an indication of how people were going to vote. I think the closest that we have to this today is the televised debate, the television debate, where you have various candidates who talk, who give their speech, so that they can give their message to the voters, and like that they can win their vote. So I think today, probably in political elections, the closest there is to the hustings, notice it's nearly always plural, on the hustings, at the hustings, and this is going to be the closest you get to it. But very often, if they're elected positions, for example, I don't know, an election for a union representative. Well, maybe there's a big meeting of all of the members of the union, and then each of the candidates gets up and makes a speech, and then obviously they will have a ballot where they have a ballot paper. But that's the idea of the hustings. It's where all of the candidates get the chance to give their points of view. Although nowadays, I think the meaning of this word hustings just talks about an election campaign. Yeah. So at the moment they are looking for a new prime minister and a new leader of the Conservative Party, and all of the candidates are out on the hustings. Although I did see an event where all of the candidates put forward their point of view. So hustings are a platform where candidates give speeches in order to show their point of view, to show their character, and for them to get elected. Okay, so this is the idea of the hustings, a platform in which candidates give a speech to try to get votes. In the past, maybe there were various hustings, in a constituency, in an electoral area. There may have been half a dozen hustings in different places, so different people could come to them. But nowadays, the hustings, it's just a place where political speeches are made, or the activities of political campaigning. So he's a real veteran of the hustings. Yeah, he's an experienced political campaigner. Let's see, formality. I think I'm going to give this word a 6 in formality, although I think you could use it anywhere. Although I think maybe quite a lot of native speakers are not going to know this word. And then as to origin, it comes from Old Norse, from Scandinavia. Husting, meaning a household assembly, so a meeting of all the people in a household, which comes from hus in Old Norse, house, and thing in Old Norse, an assembly. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hustings.